everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can fix the Red Dead Redemption in Netflix not working. So we have here four methods or four ways to fix that issue. First is to force close and then restart. So you can close your Netflix application completely and then relaunch the Netflix again. Next is to check your connection. So stable internet required. You really have to have a good connection. So you can try a wired connection. You can also try your data and vice versa. Next is to clear cache. So to do that, you just have to tap on the settings, go to applications, and then click on Netflix. From there, you will see a clear cache and data. So you just have to click on that one to clear all the bugs and the cache and data. So lastly is to reinstall. So you can delete and re-download from the Netflix application. So this should fix the problem. So this works on iOS and Android devices. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!